Grocery chalure aduga si miyam se le brown bread cookie leire si pancake so yam haw da male ba do shoy na leire hana indo sila kayo na siya. Tapos nila tiil. Slim ba na? Pura frozen na lay. Kuchaw do. Sumay na lay rami ni Hego. Ay so busy oy ba? Sorry am check tawo jyo ba. Dahil sumay na lay rami do. Hajik sing to eh. Parcel là ý cũng thơ vợ hôm nay parcel không ai bao tần lên
So guys, I'm here for the workout and I'm going to have my pre-workout protein shake. So I have taken this 300 ml of water, and the protein powder that I am going to use today is from the FAST&Up plant-based protein powder in a strawberry flavor. And I love strawberry, and I usually drink strawberries or chocolatey flavor most often at times because unflavored protein powders are so hard for me to even drink, so I always choose flavored ones. And thank you FAST&Up for sponsoring this portion of the video. And this FAST&Up protein powder has no artificial flavor, no artificial color, sustainable sourcing, and cruelty free. And I'm going to tell you about this plant-based protein powder in detail in a little bit, but for now let's have a quick shake and do the workout. So I'm not gonna lie, I've used this protein powder quite a lot already, and I'm going to show you guys.
So as you can see, I have had already half of the protein.
So I'm going to put 1 scoop into the water. One scoop. Strawberry shake manja. So back to my plant-based protein powder. I collaborated with them for this video. So basically the main ingredient is pea protein isolate and brown rice protein in a strawberry flavor. So I personally like to take protein because it keeps me energized throughout the day, and also it keeps my inside and outside strong and happier. Aduna mayam protein se daily thakpa yamna mathau tai. Akhoigi lean muscle se build up tawbagi, aduga post workout recovery tawbagi, muscle recovery tawbagi su yam mathau tai ba. Aduga everyday akhoi cells se damage or ba khorpa da mana protein intake se na repair tarok toine ba. Aduna protein se yam thakpa yamna darkar tai. Muscles build up tawbagi, aduga strength su yam pi ko. Aduga akhoi immune system se boost taweba. Aduna mayam protein intake se haubina ba ai haijari. Protein thakpada akhoi da hakchang da side effect lai do ban sunate hakchang da yam kana dumi. And as we age akhoi ahan oshalak pagi matung ina ko protein se hena darkar ta ba. Angang na di protein se mathau tai adu orsu angang na di du yam na khangde moni na hawe angang ori dina ado akhoi ahan oshalak pa kan da di ko akhoi muscles weak oragi, bones weak oragi, adagi cells damage oirakpa kholakpa se chance wange aduga oisu oi ahan oshalak pa se di aging orak to ni na ko. Prevention is better than cure ka haina bado. Ado ana ngan isa se semgatana sadana keno tawbiraga di ko tungda ahan oirakpa tanja da su anayek chengak thokpi doine ba ko. Mayam brain ama lay maming di panjaroi ge ado mayam na di loina gym workout to gym da workout to bagang bu na di loi khangamani sigi kaino sida di palaroi ko MB hana adum hairagi ko adu 24 gram ne ba ko aduga sina isolate oi bagi 26 gram ne ba du di isolate di hakchang da amuk hena su fai ba adu 26 gram ni 2 gram heli ne ba ko per serving da. And also you can use my coupon code FUPLT10 to avail some discounts. Link in the description, you can check it out. So FAST&Up Plant Protein Isolate is a high-quality plant protein powder sourced from USA and is scientifically formulated with a blend of premium quality plant protein sourced from yellow peas and brown rice. This organic plant protein provides 26 grams of best plant protein powder per serving with 4.6 gram BCAA and 4.8 gram glutamine. This plant isolate protein helps boost energy, build lean muscle mass and strength. With complete amino acid profile, this plant-based isolate protein powder helps promote post-workout muscle recovery and promote general well-being. Available in 4 flavors: rich chocolate, cookies and cream, strawberry blast and mango. Oats ne masala oats haibaga tomato juice haiba flavor ani layaba aigise masala oats ne aduga yam hassle free oiba low calorie whole grain oats oidunya bako aduga artificial preservatives, refined sugar, soya and allergen yaudaba pot ne adu yam healthy oiba oats ne aduga thongba matam su yam kuide 3 minutes mo kaino to biraga cook to biraga dum chaba yarani ado mayam na si pambi batar gadi sisu description de hapcharam. Snack training mana snack lo snack chage hakti piye nanga de se sumlo shalage mayam video se matang sita lotion jarage mayam like, share and subscribe to biramo aduga video nungai ba kanaba pujarakna ba hona jarake. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye.